स्वे स्वे कर्मण्यभिरतः संसिद्धिं लभते नरः स्वकर्मनिरतः सिद्धिं यथा विन्दति तत् शृणु.
Now this is the most important thing. He says, each one attains the highest perfection by being devoted to one's corresponding duty. All that you have to do is find out what your nature is, which category you belong to, what your swadharma is, and pursue that. So he says, listen now to how one can reach perfection by being dedicated to one's own duty. Why is he saying this? Because Arjuna is not following his own swadharma. Swadharma means core interest. Every one of us is born with something special that we bring to the world. We are talented in some field or the other. It is never the case that there is a person who has zero talent. Something or the other you have which you bring to the world. You must identify that and work in it. Why? Why is he talking about it? Remember, this subject of Swadharma he started in the 3rd chapter and he has continued right through till the 18th. This is an indication of how important it is. And yet, most of us have no clue what our Swadharma is. We have never made an attempt to identify it. And we are certainly not pursuing it. Then what are we doing? Some friend did engineering, so you are doing engineering. My father is a doctor, so I become a doctor. My friends told me, don't be a geek, so I took something. Vague things we are guided by. So, Swadharma is important. And once you identify that Swadharma, it is so easy to excel in it because it goes along with your most prominent desire. If you choose a Paradharma field, means a field that is alien to your nature, it goes against the grain. Every day you wake up and say, what on earth am I doing here? I should be doing something else. And so not only are you not following your Swadharma, so that gets neglected, you are doing something else which frustrates you. So there's a double frustration. Whereas here he's saying, each one can reach the highest perfection by what? Just dedicating ourselves to one's own duty. It is so simple. The conviction is what is important. You have to set aside fears and say, what will happen to me? There's a young boy here who, because of his father's pressure, went through 4 years of engineering. After he became an engineer, somehow or the other he managed to graduate. He told his father, now Dad, I've had enough. 4 years I suffered for you, now let me do what I want. So what did he become? He became a music teacher in schools. And he has done exceedingly well for himself. All the schools want him because he is an exceptional teacher. Now, why did he waste 4 years? Because his father said, he is some hotshot corporate executive. The father said, I can't talk about my son being a school teacher. So you must become an engineer. Swadharma is important. Next verse, 46.